Hey there fellas, what's up and welcome to this new video. So in today's video we're going to see what prepaid cards actually work with Zelle. So if you're new to this channel, I will always recommend you hit the subscribe button down below and don't forget to tap the notification bell to never miss any trending content from us. So guys, without any further ado, we start right after the intro. Alright guys, we typically know that Zelle works with banks and debit cards. Zelle support for prepaid cards isn't as extended as it is for banks. So if you expect to use your if you expect to use your prepaid card with Zelle, you shouldn't expect much, as Zelle might definitely decline the card. However, there are some prepaid cards that work with Zelle. If you have a prepaid card that is from a bank that participates in the Zelle network, then you should hope that Zelle should typically accept this card. A typical example here is the Access 360 card. This card is a general purpose reloadable card that can be used for budgeting, online purchases, or as an alternative to cash. So this prepaid card is actually issued by one of the Zelle banks, the third bank to be precise with, and many users, including me, can report that this prepaid card actually works with Zelle, but not in all cases, because most people have also complained that this prepaid card does not work with Zelle. However, if you have a prepaid card that actually is being issued by one of the Zelle partner banks, then you should hope that the card should work with Zelle. So if you have your prepaid card, just try linking it to Zelle and seeing whether Zelle will accept it. But if Zelle does not accept it, then you're unlucky on that one. Just try on another one, or you just get a debit card from your bank account. If you don't want to use your bank account directly, then I would suggest you use the bank account directly. So as a hint, when using prepaid cards with Zelle, make sure you use a prepaid debit card and not something else. Use a prepaid debit card for Zelle if you are looking to use Zelle with a prepaid card, and the prepaid card needs to be issued by a Zelle network bank. So your bank needs to actually participate in the Zelle network. If it doesn't, then your prepaid card wouldn't work with Zelle. So guys, that's all about prepaid cards that work with Zelle. There's nothing more or nothing less. If you see something else elsewhere, then you are actually heading on to the wrong way, as Zelle does not offer typical support for prepaid cards and it does not feature in any of its blog articles. So guys, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.